all, we are getting normal, we are getting back to our work and getting out from our lockdown phase and slowly getting out of our house. So I was also doing that, but suddenly I remember I need shoes and slippers for myself and few shoppings to be done. So and me and my brother have come out for shopping. My best partner is my sister-in-law or my brother. These two are my best partners for shopping. I don't know, whenever I go with them I'll get the best, so I usually accompany with them. So we are here in Jayanagar second block. This shop is exactly near Girias. If you come to Jayanagar Ashoka Pillar, Girias, opposite to that Prema Chandra Kalyana Mantapa, this sale is happening. It's kind of all brand items you're getting at 80%, 55% of discount. This is cotton jeans pant. I think it's just 500 rupees. So anybody is interested can go there. It is there till this Sunday. I think till this 8th they are there in Ashoka Pillar. After that I'll give up the address here in Vijayanagar. They are having outlet. You get all male and female brand items like jeans, single piece, jumpsuits, kurtis, and night wears, your day wears, daily wear, and shoes, branded shoes. Who does not likes? Everything is one place. I was so excited. I just went few interesting things which I liked it. I've just shared in this video. Check out the video. If you like something you can go and buy. They are available in Ashoka Pillar till 8th, and after that you can go to Vijayanagar and shop from there. So these are the shirts which are branded, like different brands are there. So all the brands under one, they have clubbed it and they have given. This jeans is for 800 rupees. Male and female branded jeans are available, and yeah, we are checking it one. My brother is showing this designs are also like available, so I'm just showing you all. Jeans also different brands are available and different style, like you have boyfriend, other styles also, no, they are there. This is jeggings for females. Even this is 500, very nice, different varieties. This is female jeans. Even this is also, there's so many slim fit, normal fit, boyfriend, slit one, all those it's available, and different shades and colors according to your preference, like if you're going out or if you're work or if you're going vacation, based on that you can pick them. So I've selecting, I'm just taken few and I'm just showing. Sizes also available, and they keep updating their stock also, so that it will be easy for you to shop. So this is single piece. This is one I liked it, and I purchased myself also. It is just 350. Can you believe? With just 350, someone is planning for your summer vacation or any parties or something, you can buy them. I'm trying here one or two to show for you guys to get an idea. So there are so many different designs. We will not be able to try too many, so I just tried one or two because it will be a crowd place also, so I did not want to disturb other people who were shopping. So just one or two we tried it. This whichever I liked it. It's just 350. You can see and buy. The only thing is you don't have place to try them on, so you should have an idea about your fittings and the size, and then you can make a best purchase over there. So this are you find that last table, this is all night wears and maternity wears also available. It is for very reasonable, 500 to 700. In between that you will get a complete set to wear. So 3/4 pants and your maternity tops, feeding tops, all those are available in one place. And next, when I moved to the side, it is all kurtis and pants, and we have few shorts also. So if you are planning for any beach traveling, all those things, you can buy them. Even this is like 500, 600 range it is, so you can buy. And sizes also available, different shades and colors, all are branded ones. In the same hall there is another hall inside where you find all the brand shoes for male and female, and few slippers, like Catwalk, Nike. I'm showing few slippers, whichever I just loved it and worth buying. I've just showed in this video, but if you go there are so many collections. I think 1,000+ collections, so it is difficult to show everything. Whichever is interesting and nice, I've just showed a glimpse of it so that you get an idea if you're going there what you can buy from there. It is like 3 pairs for 2,000 rupees, so all branded like Nike, Reebok, and you get Catwalk, Cathlon, all so many different brands, all international brands. HRK, all those brands are available. Take some time and go. It will take time for you to select 3 pairs in the same size. You may have to spend some time over there trying them. So and also you have 1,000 rupees 4 pairs of slippers. That also includes your lifestyle and shopper stops. You would have seen there those kind of shoes and slippers, and Catwalk will be there. Roadster, all those branded shoes are available. So we are also trying to pick up few shoes from here. So I've added one which are the one was interesting one, clipping a glimpse of it, so you get an idea if you're going there what you can buy, or it is worth to go or not. You can decide and go there and buy them. You have heels, edges, all those varieties. So I'm just showing you few, like some likes those kind of shoes, right? Pointed heels, edges, and if someone is very short, if they want the block shoes, those are also available. Sneakers, loafers, and boots, like if you're wearing some short skirts, for that suitable boots is also available. Here are a few. I'm just showing you for you get an idea. I just love it because 2,000 rupees 3 pairs, so it is worth buying. So I was very happy and excited. Someone is looking at buying white pair of shoes or sneakers, loafers, that's all available here. You can try them for the reasonable price, and try and buy, because investing in good shoes is very important, because that's where you can avoid your leg pain, knee pain, back pains. Someone who stand there, like their work demands them to stand for longer time, then you should really try and then buy. So these are the designs that they have it. So many types of print, like floral prints, animal print, the one which I'm showing here as the animal print, and you get like formal, proper formal and party wear shoes also there. So it's a mix of everything. So there are different sizes also available, from small size, I think some 4 or 5 to 40, 41, 42 size are available. These are mixture of like slippers. You would have seen them in your shopper stop and lifestyle. I had a few slippers similar. I've already owned them, so those are also available, but there I've burnt my pocket, but here it was a reasonable price. This was the one I picked it for myself, the grey one, which goes with almost all dress, and this is one more shoes which I got it. For your office wear and daily wear, you have some kurti, nice kurti collections. So it starts like 500, even that is on discount. Huge collections. You have to take some time and go, because you have to look for the one and you have to get them. So for the ladies, actually like for both men and female, there are collections like jeans under one place. Ethnic and western weights, all branded ones are available here. So make a time and go and enjoy your purchase. For both men and women's, shoes and slippers also available, so you can finish your shopping, both western, traditional, and wear, office wear, clothes and shoes can be shoes and slippers shoppings can be done in one place. Visit and check out. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in another video. There are few videos in my channel, please check out. I've divided according to the playlist. If you like anything, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Till then, take care. Bye bye.